Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. But if you're watching this face for the very first time or if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go hit the red button below and join my YouTube fam. Let's get to 10k really soon. So please make sure you subscribe. So yes, I'm back with yet another whole video. और आज की वीडियो में तो ना I have some latest and the most stylish tops for you guys, like latest and trendy and stylish and all that stuff. So like I am again really excited. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Okay, so I'll begin with this top. So this is the one. Wait, I'll show you properly. So this is the top, okay. और इसके आगे की तरफ ना ये पूरी ऐसे डिटेलिंग है, which I really loved. And पीछे की तरफ it has this zip closer ताकि आपको like पहनने and all में बहुत easy हो जाए. And so yes, this is how the top looks like. And इसका जो मटेरियल है ना, it's polyester material, but like high quality polyester material. It is very soft on the skin. Like let me tell you, like it's not ऐसे एकदम proper white color, but it's sort of creamish color, which I like really liked. And also the best part is that कि ये आगे की तरफ ना it has this double lining, and I got this one for around 599 rupees, which I think is a really fair price for the quality and for the design, like the style we are getting, because you know such tops are really trendy these days. I got this top in the size S और S में मुझे अच्छे से फिट आ रहा है एकदम.
Like your smile in the morning.
And yes, I think I forgot to tell you all that जो भी आज मैंने सारे कपड़े लिए हैं ना, आज मतलब सारे टॉप्स लिए हैं, दे आर फ्रॉम दिस ब्रांड न्यू मी, विच इज़ लाइक अ रियली आई थिंक फेमस ब्रांड दीज डेज. आपने और भी बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स को देखा होगा वहाँ से अभी कपड़े मंगाते हुए. मुझे तो उनकी साइट के ऊपर सारे जो पीसेस थे ना बहुत एक्सक्लूसिव लगे. लाइक दे हैड सम रियली stylish and trendy pieces. So you guys, they claim that their MOQ is also like really low, so that's why you don't need to worry to match your outfits to anyone on the gram. मतलब आपके जो outfits होंगे ना, they will be definitely exclusive. So then moving to the next item. So next up I got this top. I mean just look at it. Oh my god. Loved it, like seriously loved this one. And ये वाला टॉप तो ना like it's almost modest only because इसकी vibe तो एकदम trendy और stylish है, but like it is still so modest. इसकी full sleeves हैं and नीचे की तरफ से it has this like corset वाला shape that is again so trendy, and ऊपर से it has this cowl neck which is again really trendy. तो पहनने के बाद भी ना बहुत अच्छे से फिट आ रहा है ये मुझे. एंड ये भी पोलिएस्टर मटेरियल के अंदर है, बट अगेन लाइक वेरी सॉफ्ट ऑन द स्किन. आई थिंक आप अभी स्क्रीन के अंदर देख के भी बता पाएंगे, लाइक इट्स रियली वेरी सॉफ्ट. एंड आई एम इन द साइज M फॉर दिस. मैं S साइज में भी जा सकती थी, बट मुझे M में भी मतलब इसकी फिटिंग पसंद आ रही है एकदम. मतलब स्लीव से बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे स्नैच्ड नहीं है, थोड़ा रिलैक्स्ड ही है, बट लाइक आई लव इट दैट वे. इसे तो ऐसे थोड़ा सा क्रॉप्ड ही है, नॉट टू मच बट स्टिल अ लिटिल क्रॉप्ड. लाइक यू कैन इवन वेयर दिस टू योर ऑफिस एंड ऑल एज वेल बिकॉज इट लुक्स वेरी डिसेंट. लाइक इफ यू पेयर दिस अप विद हाई वेस्टेड trousers and you can definitely create a office look with it. And I got this one for around 690 rupees, which is I think again a really fair price for the quality and for the style. So again a big thumbs up.
Nothing like your smile in the morning. Following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave.
Okay, then talking about the next piece, the one that I'm wearing right now. Yes, this is also from the same brand, New Me. So this is the top. Okay, I loved it. Sleeves, okay. Sleeves के ऊपर तो ना it has this georgette kind of material which is again really soft on the skin. लेकिन आगे से ना ऐसे it has this tie up thingy and it's a crop top only. I think you can see. And आगे से it has this polyester kind of material ताकि it like hugs your body really properly and gives you that proper structure. So I mean I really liked its style and all. तो पहन करके तो ना ऐसे एकदम hipster सी feeling आ रही है, but I really liked it. I got this one in size S और S में मुझे एकदम properly fit आ रहा है ये. And I got this for around 630 rupees and वैसे ना अभी मैंने जितने भी टॉप मंगाए ना इस हॉल में, दे आर ऑल अंडर ₹799 विच इज ग्रेट. एंड उसके ऊपर भी लाइक यू गाइस कैन यूज माई कूपन कोड विच इज PALAK15. आई विल फ्लैश इट ऑन द स्क्रीन. So you guys can use this coupon code to get an additional 15% off. Yes, and also you guys, like, I won't be earning any commission for this, but it makes me really happy that it will help you guys to get some extra discount. So yes, you can go and use this on the Nuumi's website.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby in your
Okay, then moving to the next one. So अगला तो like मेरा personal favorite है top. So this is the one. Oh my god, like I loved its style and everything. Okay. And you can see it has such balloon sleeves and it has this elastic at the end of the sleeve. और यहाँ पर जो like the material it has on the sleeve ना, it is kind of like transparent only, so this looks really good. लेकिन आगे की तरफ and पीछे की तरफ it has this lining inside. Like I love the style, I love the color, I love the quality, I love everything about this one. And you guys, I got this one for around 749 rupees, which is like again a very reasonable price for the quality and for the style. And but ये है कि मैंने ना ये M size के अंदर मंगा लिया और M के अंदर ना मुझे हल्का सा लूज आ रहा है. But the best part is that कि Nuumi brand की ना return policy is also really nice. Like they do not even ask any question. And even इसके साथ साथ ना they even offer free shipping and even cash on delivery as well.
like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave.
Okay, then moving to the last but not the least item from this haul. So this is the top. This is kind of a corset top which are again really trendy these days. But like इसकी अलग बात है कि I haven't seen any corset top in such print and all. And like I love ऐसे animal prints. So ये वाला तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. And that too like in black and white color, it's always a plus for me. So that's why yeah, I really like it. And इसका जो मटेरियल है ना, इट्स काइंड ऑफ दैट पोलिएस्टर मटेरियल ओनली. आई होप यू कैन फिगर आउट. एंड इसके आगे भी ऐसा ये यू स्टाइल के अंदर है अगेन टू गिव इट दैट प्रॉपर कॉर्सेट लुक, बट पीछे से इट्स क्रॉप्ड ओनली. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट कि this top is like really versatile. You can even create a street style look with it, and along with that you can even create a runway look with it, wearing like by wearing dainty jewelry pieces and all with this. I can definitely see myself styling this a lot. I'm in the size XS for this, but XS fits me perfectly, okay? Because इसका जो material है ना, it's really stretchable. आप इस वाली में तो अपने से एक साइज कम मंगा सकते हैं आराम से. So इसके लिए भी big thumbs up.
Like your smile in the morning, following the linings.
So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope you guys liked all the pieces. And if you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Let's reach to 10k subscribers really soon. And yes, do not forget to use my coupon code, that is PALAK15. I'll put it again on the screen, so you can use this code to get a 15% off on the Nuumi's website. And I'll put all the details and all the links in the description box below, so do not forget to check that as well. And yes, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, love you.